Have you subscribed? Go on, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn that notification bell on so you don't miss these videos. I'll see you next time. Bye. It's your girl mzddollars, and I'm back with a new video. I've been seeing this wet look vibe all on YouTube, so you know your girl had to test it out. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. All right, y'all, so we're starting on freshly washed hair. There is nothing, no products in my hair right now. I will show you what products I will be using to do this wet look hairstyle. I saw it and I absolutely loved it. So the products that I am going to use, oh y'all, so check how I went to Walmart, right? I caught myself getting some Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, which is the bomb product for me, and I grabbed 2 Strengthen and Restore Smoothies. So I'm going to be using that smoothie. Looks like this. I'm going to use the Lotta Body. I'm going to be using the Lotta Body Wrap Mousse. This Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I do love this product. I tried it with the Cantu leave-in, which I hate. And I still feel like this product did well. So I'm going to use that today. Of course, y'all know we got to use the Eco. We got to use the Eco, okay? You're going to need a dimming brush, a regular brush, a comb, and I'll be using 2 scarves. So I have a regular, let me take it a loose. I have a regular big scarf like this, and then I have a long scarf that looks like this. Let's begin. Top bun like that. So I parted this section about yay big. I'm not going to do this whole section at one time. We're going to first spray it with some water. Like I said, I want my hair to be dripping wet. So the first product I'm going to put on it is the Cantu. Looks like this. It's big, y'all. I'm gonna put about that much in my hand and apply it all over that section. So now that I applied that, I'm going to go with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. I'm going to take about that much. At this point, I'm going to use my dimming brush and just comb through. Make sure all that product is applied evenly throughout this section. So now at this point, I'm going to take the EcoStyler Gel. Now, I'm going to tell you now. I'm going to go ham with this gel. Take it. Ensuring that I put it on the root. I'm going to take this first portion. I'm going to put the other portion to the side. We're going to work on this portion right here. I'm gonna take some more gel. Make sure those ends are coated. Get those roots again because we want this style to lay as flat as possible. Take that Denman brush again. And we're gonna comb through it. Now going into that Lotta Body mousse. I'm gonna take that. Put that on there. All right, now let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just finishing this last part on this section, and then I'll come back on camera when I get to the top middle section of my hair to show you how I'll be doing that part. So I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, and we're back. So as you can see, my hair is slicked back. My curls are popping in the back. I do have hang time, yes ma'am. So we only have this little section left. I did have a little bit of trouble with this part, but you'll see it in the video. Don't judge me. First, we're going to take the Cantu, the water bottle. You have to wet your hair because you want your products to soak into your hair. Now, if you put products on dry hair, it's going to sit on top of the hair. So we're just going to take this water bottle and we're going to drown this section of my hair. After we use the water, we're going to use the Cantu moisturizing cream. Take this amount, going to put it all through that section. Make sure that every strand is coated. And as you can see, my hands are pretty much running right through my hair. I truly, truly love this product. So right here, I was thinking about doing a side swoop, and then I rethought about it. It's hot outside. I'm not trying to sweat. So I tried to grab the hair and comb it back, and it fell apart. So here I'm kind of just struggling to put it back. Nothing major, but have to comb it all over again in a separate direction. And yeah, keep watching. So I've tied my red scarf on my head, but now I'm going to take this black long rectangular scarf and I'm going to tie it around the ends of my hair, hoping that this prevents some of the shrinkage. It's inevitable when you do something like a wash and go that you're going to have shrinkage. So I'm just going to put this around the ends and go to sleep. It's the next day. I went to work out, and yeah, I had to take that black thing off because I could not be looking like Rapunzel or somebody in the gym. But it is time to reveal the wet look that's going all over YouTube. So I just did my face. I hope you guys check out my Facebook to see this look. I recorded it on live on Facebook. So let's get right to this reveal.
It's very pretty.
So this is how my hair is looking. There is some shrinkage. I think that's because my hair was still wet this morning when I went to the gym. But honey, I must say, your girl is feeling it, okay? But you know, we ain't done until we done now. Honey, I can't be out here looking all bald-headed and stuff, you know. So let me throw on some hoops. My daughter is all in the camera, y'all.
Sorry. Okay.
Let me just throw on some hoops real quick. Now that's a vibe. No. It's a vibe. Baby hair is laid, honey. Laid. We glowing to the gods. One final touch. And then I'll let y'all on your way. Oh my god, Mom. Summer just got lit, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.